I'm very excited to see you, sir.
Me too, me too. Don't call me sir. Call me Arif. You are my big brother. You are my big brother. Don't call me sir. Call me Arif. Call me Arif. You are my big brother, Sarji. You are my big brother. Consider me as a small brother. Call me Arif. Don't call me sir.
I wanna talk to you, sir, for a
Yes.
long time.
Then why didn't you call me? Why didn't you call me? You should have called me earlier, sir. You should have called me earlier, but you were a little bit late.
Because
No problem.
I'm watching your videos on YouTube for a long time, near about 1 year.
I see, I see. Then why don't you call me 1 year ago, Mr. Kulwant Singh? No problem. Tell me, what can I do for you? Tell me, what can I do for you, Mr. Kulwant Singh?
Sir, I have no words. How I say to you, you you are doing a great job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
I'm proud of you, sir.
Thank you. Kulwant Singh ji, Sardar ji, Praji, Veer ji, thank you very much.
Very few Indians are as great as you, sir.
Yes, sir. Absolutely, 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 absolutely. And I enjoy helping people. I'm enjoying, and I really love to help people to solve their queries, to give them guidance, to give them, opinion related to their English. I'm doing what I can do. I am doing what I can do in my portion. I am completing my portion from my side.
Okay, very good, sir. You are inspiring lot of people.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you. What you do, Mr. Kulwant Singh? What you do, sir? What you
I'm
do?
a I'm a shopkeeper, sir.
You are a shopkeeper. That's great. That's great. That's a fantastic. That's a fantastic. Where you live in Punjab? Where exactly in Punjab?
Did you know little about Nestle?
Nestle.
Nestle in the
Nestle
Moga
chocolate.
district. Yeah, chocolate, Nescafe,
I see.
Maggie.
Yes. I see. Then
Yeah, my town is Moga,
your town is Moga.
Moga in Punjab.
I see. That's good. That's good.
N- Now Moga is district.
Now Moga is district.
Uh-huh.
I see. And what is your purpose to learning English, Mr. Kulwant Singh?
I'm learning English because of it is a very important nowadays. If
Uh,
we know if we know Hindi, we can talk with every person in all India.
yes, absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
Mostly people can think. Mostly people can understand Hindi,
Yes.
but when we will go to the Gujarat, Maharashtra, South side,
Mm-hmm.
mostly people don't know like to Hindi, so we can speak there in English. So I am inspired from you or learning.
Yes. Yes, absolutely, sir. Absolutely. I will help you. I will definitely help you to learn English, sir. I'll try my best. I'll try my 100%. I'll give you a suggestion, inshallah. But I'm gonna tell you one thing. Here in Gujarat and Maharashtra, these places are you can speak Hindi, but if you will go in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, they people don't understand Hindi. Especially if you have a problem in that place, that state, not here in Gujarat, because I belong to Gujarat. Every individual, every single people know Hindi here in Gujarat, in Maharashtra. Everybody knows Hindi. Even in Rajasthan, there is no problem. If you will speak with them, Hindi, everybody understand. Everybody can understand. Everyone speaks in Hindi. Hindi is the common language here. But if you will
Yeah.
go here in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, Kerala, so these people won't understand Hindi. For that, we
Yes.
need to learn English.
Yeah.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
true.
bro.
Have you ever been to out of India, Canada, America, Gulf country? Have you ever been to somewhere else?
No, 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 never.
Never.
But
But you wanted to go. This is your wish. You wanted to go. Where you wanted to go? Canada.
everybody wants to go abroad,
Yeah.
but east or west home is the best.
Yes, absolutely. East or west, India is the best. East or
Yeah,
west, the best.
ਜੋ ਛੱਜੂ ਦੇ ਚੁਬਾਰੇ ਨਾ ਬਲਖ ਨਾ ਬੁਖਾਰੇ.
Yes, absolutely, sir. Absolutely. What we have a freedom in India, although we don't have that much, progress, but what we have a freedom in India, you won't get anywhere else. Anywhere else, you know, what we have a freedom, we have a democracy. However, in India, we have a religious freedom. We have a right to speech over in India. You won't get anywhere else. It's a
Yeah.
fantastic democracy. Different people, different religious people living with peace and harmony in India. We respect each other's culture. We respect Guru Nanak Sahib. You people respect us. We respect other religions. It's a fantastic thing. We get together in each and every occasion, celebration, like Holi, Diwali, everything. So it's a fantastic, it's a fantastic.
As a Prophet Muhammad and Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, so
Yes.
we both are equal.
Yes,
All the
absolutely.
religions are.
Yes, absolutely. Our religion teach us to live with peace and harmony and respect to each other, respect each other's religion, respect them.
Yeah.
If you will respect them, you will get the respect. If I will not respect you, how would I? How you will give me a respect?
We
It's
we we mostly Indian believe in unity and diversity.
Yes, absolutely, sir. Absolutely right. You are, Mr. Kulwant Singh. Absolutely. I'm feeling very happy to talk to you right now. You're a great personality, Mr. Kulwinder. Yes. What you do, sir? Like, how many children do you have, Mr. Kulwant Singh? How many children do you have?
We have two son and a little baby girl.
Mashallah. That's great. That's great. Tell me something about yourself. What's your dream? Tell me, Mr. Kulwant Singh.
I want to do something for the family. At first, I want to improve my pronunciation, communication skills, more things in
Yes.
English.
But I still didn't get your point that why you need English. Surely you wanted to go out of the India. That's why you are preparing English. Oh, come on. I am right or wrong?
I'm preparing for a long time, but I have no companion.
I am the one. Come on. Your research is finished now. You found it almost. Almost you found it. I am the companion and I will inshallah help you. Don't you worry. And I will give you a more companion. Better than me. I am nothing, but I will give you better than me. Better than companion me. I'll give you more companion, sir. I'll give you more companion. Don't you worry.
I always listening when you are talking to other persons on YouTube. I like you very much. Your style is very good.
Sorry?
Your style is very good. The way of
Yes.
talking,
I see.
the impression.
Yes. I see. Thank you.
I look always smiling to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. I am here to spread knowledge. I am here to spread positivity. I am here to say, to spread I wanted to influence people that if I can speak, if I can learn, anybody can speak, anybody can learn. It's a piece of a cake. English just a piece of a cake, Mr. Kulwant Singh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely. So, Kulwant, Kulwant Singh ji, allow me to go, sir. Allow me to go. I have some work. And one more thing I'm going to tell you. Whenever you want to talk to me, whenever you want to practice me, just leave a message to me. If I'm free, I will definitely talk with you. If I'm
Very
free, if
good.
I have a time, I will definitely. And one more thing, my application, I have developed one application for you people. You know the application name? You have any idea about that? Do you have any idea about that? That I have
No,
developed one
no.
application.
Tell me, sir. Tell me.
Sir, the application, I will send you on your WhatsApp. I will send you on a WhatsApp. Use that application. You will get lots of partner out there. You will get lots of partner out there. Just tap on one single click. Just one single click. You will get the partner. We voice call is completely free application for you people, sir. Mr. Kulwant Singh.
Okay. Okay, sir. Any tips or any?
Yes, the
How?
tip I have for you, the tip I have for you, practice. Practice makes you perfect only. There is no other remedy, only practice. The more you will practice, the more you will learn English,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes, practice, sir. Practice as much as you can practice. This is the remedy, sir. There is no other remedy, Mr. Kulwant Singh, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And you know Hindi, you know how to read Hindi, you know how to read Hindi. Do you know how to read
What?
Hindi? Do you know how to read Hindi? Do you know Hindi? How to read Hindi? Do you
Yeah,
know?
I can.
You
Yeah,
can read?
yeah,
Well, I
yeah.
have one PDF book. I have one PDF book. I'll send you the PDF book through WhatsApp. So read that book. It's a fantastic book, sir. It's a fantastic book. And I'll send you the application as well. So download the application and enjoy. Learn spoken English. Practice with other people. It's a great deal for you.
Okay, sir.